So today I'm here with the evergreen, the most gorgeous Isha Kopikar. I'm at her place and we have the beautiful Ganpati Bappa here. As you can see, very beautifully she's decorated the whole place. And I'm so very fortunate here enough to be here at your abode, humble abode.
Thank you.
It's not humble at all, which is very beautiful and
it is humble.
no, but you've done it so beautifully. I just want to understand firstly, what does this festival mean to you personally? Like, I mean, is there any certain memory that you can relate to?
I'm very fond of Bappa. I love Bappa. He's everything to me.
Yeah.
So when he comes, this festival of his homecoming, 10 days of Ganesh Chaturthi, is the most rejoicing days of my life.
Yeah.
I love these 10-11 days, and from the time I have opened my eyes, I have celebrated Ganesh Chaturthi, because my family has celebrated Ganesh Chaturthi and their families have celebrated Ganesh Chaturthi. You know, I mean, generations have, yeah. So it's what you see, you grow up to. Yeah, and I feel very connected to Bappa, and I've had Bappa for the last 4 years. This is my 4th year.
Wow, so lovely. And I heard you speak about, how you try to keep it very eco-friendly.
That's right.
Because, it's very important for the environment also to sort of, be, in sync with our personal beliefs.
That's
right. So how do you do that personally?
For the last 20 years in my mother's house, we had this Bappa, which was a gold Bappa.
Wow.
We got him 20 years ago, and every time we used to finish Ganesh Chaturthi, and then after Ganpati Visarjan, Mama used to keep him for 1.5 days. We used to put him in a little jewelry box and we used to go back to the locker.
Achha.
So that is how it was. And now in my house, my mom said that, you do this together alongside your Ganpati Bappa. So my Ganpati Bappa also is eco-friendly and is made of mud.
Achha. So
yes.
It's easily dissolvable.
It's easily dissolvable. It's not that harmful to the environment, and I believe in. I mean, I can't preach and tell people. I do advocate it, but I think it has to first start from yourself. Charity begins at home.
So I was just talking to your daughter. She's very lovely. We had a lovely chat.
Okay. Oh God.
So, yeah.
Okay.
We had quite a meaningful chat that I'm not telling you about what we spoke about.
Okay.
But I want to ask you something. Is there any specific tradition, any ritual that you've sort of like followed this year, or that you want to like pass it on to her?
Yeah, the only thing that I actually tell her to do is when she wakes up in the morning and she's about to go to school, after of course she's showered and everything, she in the house mandir, she pays her tribute and respect to, I call it the Jai Jai moment. And I say, I finish your Jai Jai and then go to school. So she has to do that, because she needs to understand and that the first thing you do is to show gratitude to the Almighty and to pay your respects before you leave the house.
So you brought Bappa home for I think 3 days this time, right?
Yes.
But do you also go to your friends? How many industry-specific friends whose house you'd love to visit during this time?
Honestly, there are a lot of people I'd like to visit, but most of them have Bappa for 1.5 days. So I don't get out.
But who are you visiting this time?
This year, I think I might be going to Ekta's. Because she has. I have for 3 days and I think she has for 10 days.
Oh wow.
I think so. So I'll be,
Okay. And tell me about one more thing. How much does, we've seen you come from modeling and then, you've done films, and there's been a bit of a sabbatical, I would say, that you've taken here and there. When can we see you back? I miss you on screen.
I miss myself too. There were a lot of things that I was doing, and then sometimes it's good, when you're away and people miss you. It's nice. I like that feeling. Than for people to say, "Yaar, kitne filme ya kitna pakayegi chal yaar." Now people want to see me. It's nice. It's a great feeling, and yes, I'm coming back. Yes, I mean, I was never gone to come back. I was doing a lot of films.
You were just smelling the roses.
Probably I was. I was doing other things in other fields. I mean, this is not the only thing that I'm doing, sweetheart. There's a lot many more
I know
things.
you've taken up entrepreneurship as well as
Yes, I'm investing in a lot of startups, and absolutely. There's something that I'm doing on the well-being,
That's what
wellness zone as well. So there's a lot of other things that I'm doing. So I, between family and between South, I did some films in the South. I did some web series. I never really had the time. I was getting films, but not the kind that I wanted. You know, you've seen the roles that I've done.
Yeah.
It's only about me.
Yeah.
Krishna Cottage, you remember the character. Every character that
Dawn.
you remember the character.
Ek Vaisa bhi.
So I wanted to do something that was, you know, some when you've done so much, that kind body of work, you want to get promoted. The script should ring a bell in your head, and you know, you should feel.
You should expect a comeback, no?
Yeah, you will. I am looking at scripts. I am meeting people. I've got some fantastic response, and you know, a lot of makers out there want to work with me, and I feel so humbled. But you know, we're in the midst of getting the right.
Yeah. So are you only looking at the big screen projects, or are you also open to doing more OTT projects as well? Because OTT's opened up space for a lot of people now.
I know it has, but it takes a long time for an OTT. Ye permission, ye wo setup, ye karke. I think now films take lesser time.
Okay.
In some, strangely. But yes, having said that, of course, I'm open. If something great comes along, of course. Yes,
so we can expect.
Yes, of course you can expect. Yes.
And now, lastly, before we let you have your aarti,
yes, please.
I just want to ask you if there was one specific message that you want to give to our audience. What would it be on this auspicious occasion?
I would wish all of you all good health, physical, mental, well-being, and everything that you desire, everything that you want. May Bappa just remove all the obstacles from your life. May Bappa show you your path, and may you all be happy and prosperous. That's it.
Any specific wish that you have this year?
I just pray to Bappa that I stay balanced, happy, and fit in every sense. Mentally, physically, spiritually, emotionally, in every way. And Bappa knows what I want, so that's a secret.
That's a secret you're not going to tell. Maybe some other time that is going to unravel, but for now we're going to leave her alone. We're going to have her time, and it was lovely chatting with you once again. Very, very, very happy Ganesh Chaturthi to you. I hope we see you back on screen very
soon. Yes, you will.
And wish you all the love and luck in life.
Thank you so much. God bless. Ab sabko Ganpati Bappa Moria.
Thank you.